If you're in an entry-level job right now, or preparing for one, listen carefully. What I'm about to share isn't some far-off prediction. It's a quiet reality unfolding right now. Not tomorrow. Not next year. Now. By 2026, many of the jobs people are studying for today will quietly disappear. They won't vanish in a dramatic wave of layoffs, but will fade away, one by one. This isn't happening because workers failed, but because software got better. Much better. The AI tools we have today can perform tasks that, just a few years ago, required a human. And this is already happening quietly. It's a slow reduction in job postings, a gradual shift in responsibilities. Let's be clear about why this happens. Every technological shift in history replaces the bottom rungs of the ladder first. Think about it, entry-level work is often repetitive and rule-based. It involves following a set of instructions, whether it's sorting data, answering common questions, or scheduling appointments. AI is extremely good at this kind of work. It can process information, follow rules, and execute repetitive tasks with flawless precision, thousands of times over. AI doesn't get tired or forget procedures. It doesn't need coffee breaks or vacation days. It just works, 24/7. When faced with this level of efficiency, companies choose that efficiency. It's not a cruel decision, it's an economic one, but people miss this quiet shift because they're looking for the wrong signs. We all imagine armies of robots marching into offices and physically firing workers, but that's not how it happens. The reality is far more subtle. The change comes through hiring freezes and a steady decline in new openings. The jobs simply don't get posted anymore. An entry-level role that becomes vacant isn't filled. Instead, the tasks are absorbed by new software. Suddenly, one person, armed with the right AI tools, can do the work that previously took a team of 5. The remaining human employee isn't just a worker, they're an operator, a strategist, overseeing a fleet of digital assistants. So, which jobs are we talking about? Let's get specific. Administrative and office support roles are among the most affected. That classic image of an office assistant juggling calls and calendars is becoming a thing of the past. AI now schedules meetings automatically, finding the perfect slot for everyone without a single back-and-forth email. Speaking of which, emails are now sorted, prioritized, and even answered by AI. It can draft professional replies, summarize long threads, and ensure nothing important is missed. Tasks that once took hours of manual organization can now be done in seconds. Customer support and call centers are also undergoing a massive transformation. The days of waiting on hold for a human agent are numbered. AI chatbots can answer customer questions instantly, providing accurate information around the clock. And it's not just text. Advanced voice AI can handle phone calls with a natural, conversational tone, resolving common issues without ever needing to escalate. This frees up human agents to handle the truly emotional and complex cases, where empathy and nuanced problem solving are essential. The role shifts from a script reader to a genuine problem solver. Even creative fields like junior marketing and content creation are feeling the impact. For years, we thought creativity was uniquely human, but AI now writes surprisingly good content. It can generate blog posts, social media captions, and advertising copy in seconds, based on simple prompts. It creates captions and ads tailored to specific audiences. This means a single marketing strategist can now manage the output of several AI tools, replacing the need for a whole team of junior writers and social media coordinators. One strategist replaces a team, focusing on the big picture while AI handles the execution. And what about design and creative work? The same pattern is emerging. AI can generate designs for social media posts, thumbnails, and basic marketing materials almost instantly. In the world of video, it can edit clips automatically, cutting down production time from days to minutes. Does this mean all creative jobs are gone? No. But it does mean the top creatives, the ones with a unique vision and strategic judgment, remain absolutely essential. Their job is to guide the AI, to make the final creative decisions, and to add that spark of human genius that software can't replicate. Data analysis and reporting is another area where AI is taking over the heavy lifting. AI can analyze vast data sets instantly, finding patterns and correlations that a human might miss. More importantly, it can summarize these insights in plain language, generating clear, easy-to-understand reports. The role of the human analyst is no longer to crunch the numbers. Their role is to interpret the meaning behind those numbers, to connect the dots, and to explain what the data means for the business. Do you see the common pattern here? Across all these fields, AI replaces execution, not judgment. It handles the how, but humans are still needed for the why and the what's next. The real danger for anyone in an entry-level position isn't being fired by a robot. The real danger is invisibility. It's when your role becomes non-essential so quietly that you don't even notice until it's too late. The growth opportunities disappear. The career ladder that once led to promotions and new skills suddenly stops midway, because the next rung has been automated. So, how do you stay relevant in this new world? The answer is simple. You have to move up the value chain. You need to become the person who manages the AI, not the person who is replaced by it. Staying relevant means that humans must oversee the AI. Instead of just doing the task, you learn to operate the system that does the task. Your value shifts from execution to oversight and strategy. Problem definition becomes a key skill. You need to be the one who can clearly define the problem that the AI needs to solve. And most importantly, you need to provide the judgment that cannot be automated. You must be the one making the final call, using your experience and intuition at the crossroads where data isn't enough. For everyone just starting their careers, this is actually good news if you adapt early. You have a massive advantage. You aren't stuck in old ways of working. You can learn these new systems from the ground up. You don't compete with AI, you direct it. You become the pilot of a powerful tool, not a passenger waiting to be dropped off. Let's be honest, AI will replace some jobs. Many of the entry-level roles we know today will fade into history. But it will also create entirely new roles, jobs we can't even imagine yet, centered around managing, directing, and collaborating with artificial intelligence. The future doesn't belong to the people who resist this change. It belongs to the adaptable. It belongs to those who are willing to learn, to evolve, and to become the human intelligence guiding the artificial one, if you want to be one of them. You're in the right place. Subscribe to stay relevant and learn how to navigate the future. Thanks for watching.